So over here you can see that I have a bunch of objects, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and select a few of them. In that case, to be precise while you're selecting, you can utilize something called the Lasso tool. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the select option and then select out lasso. Once you do that, you can simply go ahead and draw around. So let's say I want to select these two objects over here on the left and right by avoiding the top and bottom objects. So I can simply go ahead and draw around right here just like this, and those objects are selected. So now you can go ahead and move these out, as you can see right here. But this one is selected as well, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and be more precise while selecting right here just like this. So now apart from that, if I were to go ahead and let's say for example drag from left to right here just like this, then what happens is that even if the objects are touched, it won't actually go ahead and select it. But if I were to go ahead from right to left right here, then if it touches, then what happens is that it goes ahead and selects out that object right here just like this. So you want to go ahead and be more precise. Let's say for example just like this right here, then you can see that as it touches, it will go ahead and select out those objects right here just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the Lasso Select tool right here to go ahead and select around an object as you need inside of SketchUp. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.